In this lesson, we are going to review Advanced Search. Here, we're looking for messages related to transplants, contracts, medical research, and contract compliance, where the subject matches transplant. We will then look for attachments with a specific file name. Let's start by selecting the search menu in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From here, select Advanced Search. When the dialog box appears, let's maximize it. First, you can see in the upper left that this search is an any of search. Any of is an or search. Note for future reference that all of is an and search. In the upper right, we see options to add group and add category. Add category will allow us to select the type of search we want to run, specifically message, attachment, IM, files, and federated. Here, select message, which will search all emails. The message search will appear. Let's add a rule. In the drop-down box, select Subject. Now in the field to the right of Subject, leave the operator Matches as is, and then type in the word Transplant, as we're looking for emails with the subject of Transplant. Now let's add a rule inside of the nested message search. From the drop-down, select Body. Next, select the operator drop-down to the right of Body. From the drop-down, select Contains Word List. This will allow us to input a list of terms. Then change the operator all of to any of. Next, let's input the list of terms we're searching for. Hit Enter after each term or phrase. Transplant contract, transplant research, contract compliance, medical, and lastly, medical research. Now let's simply run the search by clicking the button in the bottom right. The search has garnered 78 results. Let's edit the search just a bit by going back up to the search menu and then selecting Advanced Search. When the dialog box appears, maximize it. Now let's add a different category to the search by selecting the Add Category button and then selecting Attachment from the drop-down. As you can see, a new nested search appears. Let's go ahead and select the Add Rule button. From the drop-down, choose File Name. In the field to the left of Operator Matches, input the term Patient. Now, click the Search button in the bottom right one more time. The search has now garnered 79 results, one additional result from the prior search. Since we're all set creating the advanced search, let's go ahead and save the search by right-clicking on the Search tab in the upper left. From the context menu, choose Rename. Simply give your search a name and then click OK. This concludes the video on creating an advanced search.